Hi everyone, how's your day? Welcome to my art channel Alyan Ari's Arts. In today's video I am gonna paint a beautiful landscape reflection acrylic painting of bridge. This painting took a lot of effort and patience plus practice. Recently I observed that our mind state reflects so well in the painting. Though we try to make the artwork beautiful, we land up making according to our heart and mind state. So feel at ease whenever it's not a condition. In case you feel disturbed, doing painting is the best medicine, especially for our mental health. So my dear audience, no matter what age you're of, in which situation you are in, art is the escape of harsh reality and expression of our joy. Then what's stopping you? Grab a pencil or brush and get started. There is no right time for it, you just have to get started. Coming back to topic, this is the commission artworks I have been painting recently. I am kinda excited and a bit nervous while I paint. That's for today. Watch my video until the end, hope everyone's gonna enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Do click the bell icon for latest video notification and drop a comment below for any suggestion. Thank you, take care.